Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru specialist from Subaru Prince George here. I just got this in the mail last night. Haven't opened it yet, but I wanted to share this with you guys. It's from Subaru Canada. Just blacked out my address. You guys don't need that. Let's take a look. I have a feeling it's gonna be badge of ownership. So here we are. As you can see, I hadn't opened it. I just blacked out the label. See what it says. It is. So it shows the ones that I ordered. So I ordered the 100K and the 200K because I'm almost at 300,000 kilometers. And scan the QR code for instructions to install. It's a cool -17 degrees Celsius right now outside, so I'm not going to be putting those on today. But there's a quick little look at them. So badge ownership in Canada now, people.